What's up, fam? Tanya here. I'm out in the greenhouse today. It is like 30 degrees. It's freezing out here. My greens have been hanging in here, but they've been out in this greenhouse in the cold for probably 3 days. 30-degree weather. They're getting a little wimpy because it's probably been 2 weeks since I've watered them. But so I'm going to give them one last. I'm not ready to give up on them. They still look pretty good. So I'm going to water them and prune a few leaves off, and we're going to get snow tomorrow. So I'll see how they look. They've been doing very well. I'm going to check the temperature now in here. Yes, it's 30 degrees. Okay, fam, I'm going to continue watering these plants. You hear something, they're building a neighborhood behind me, so they're building a house right over there. I'm going to finish watering my plants here, my greens. They are doing well. Collard greens do well in cold weather, and so I want to salvage them. What I'm going to do, I'm going to pick off leaves as I need them, and then they'll still grow more. Hopefully this cold weather won't kill them, and then I'll still have greens and lettuces in the when spring comes. So each month, this is my January greenhouse update, and I'm very pleased with how the greens, the cabbages, and the lettuce is doing. Okay. All right. So, and also this is in honor of Jimmy Carter. I was just watching the funeral today. So I'm in Georgia. He was my favorite president. So, rest in peace, Jimmy Carter. And then I also want to send out my condolences to the people in California. That is just awful. That's awful. Out in LA, the fires out there. And that's why I promote prepping, being prepared. This is just a reminder for us to always have a go bag. Already have a go bag in your car. And if you can't get to your car, because people had to leave their cars, at least you got to grab that backpack. When when you get an alert to evacuate, just grab your bag and go. I say, and go. Go. Okay? Grab your bag. If you can't drive, if you have to do everything on foot, have something in the house. Throw that pack on, get to stepping. Okay? So, hey, tastemakers, we're not about, we fight. Okay, we're beautiful and tasteful and stylish when it's time, but when it's time to fight, we fight, okay? Okay, so then what I do after I water them, and I'll go through and I'll prune off, some spent leaves. About a month ago, I took some leaves off and I cooked them. They were fine. They were nice. Some small little leaves. Put them in a stir fry. So that's all I'm going to do. I'm not, I hope they survive. So with this new administration coming in, we don't know what these prices are going to do. So, like I recommend growing something. Greens are easy for me in this climate, and start growing something until we see what's going on. But I believe you could always be as self-sufficient as possible. Uh, don't nobody care about you. Like they said, these jobs don't care about you. These these hoes ain't loyal, so you got to take care of yourself. Okay. So when like next month, I'll start looking. Dollar Tree's getting their spring stuff out. By March, Home Depot and the nurseries start opening up about March, maybe late February. But March, I'll probably do more like shopping for some starts. I have plenty of seeds, but I'm going to shop for some starts in March. And this last year, I didn't like go into detail about how I do it. So we're new to this greenhouse, so we just got the greenhouse up. I showed that, just kind of getting it organized. So I wanted to see how a flow, see how I liked it. So I like this flow. So I'll be going more into how I plant my things and the progress of them. Okay. wonder about growing stuff this time of year. The bugs, you know, there's no bugs. Okay, that's all we have to do. So once a week I go in here and I'll tidy up, sweep up. So I won't have a whole lot to do. I keep a broom and a rake and all that stuff in here. Next week, my bromeliads died. I took them out of the house. My little pretty tropical plant that y'all saw all summer, a lot of that stuff died off. So I'll be throwing them away in a week or two. Okay, guys, I want to thank you so much for tuning in today. I'm going to just tidy up in there a bit and want to thank you so much for tuning in. And like we need to stay prepped, stay alert, enjoy our lives. Like I said, in 2025, we will thrive. You know, just have a plan. And I think it's very important right now to always have a go bag. And when I touch up my go bag, because it's the first of the year, so it's time for me to go into my go bag. So I'll do a video on that. Like, what's in my bug out bag? What's in my grow bag? Okay? Okay, guys, thanks. And most of my stuff came from Dollar Tree. All right, guys, thanks. Bye. If you like my vibe, hit subscribe. We're going to thrive in 2025.